Hello little artists. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. Watermelon drawing. Today we draw a summer fruit, watermelon. First, we draw a straight line. Next, we draw a big curve. To draw the watermelon, again, we draw parallelly a curve. Inside it, next we draw watermelon seed. Watermelons are large, juicy fruits with a vibrant red flesh and a refreshing, sweet taste. They typically have a green rind and small, dark seeds. Watermelons are a great source of hydration and contain vitamins and antioxidants. Red color. They are often enjoyed during summer, especially on hot days. Watermelons can be eaten fresh, used in fruit salads, or even blended into juices. Watermelon is centuries-old fruit that is juicy and sweet, and many view it as a perfect treat to quench your thirst during summer heat. With a bright, red flesh and little seeds embedded throughout, watermelon is a trusted source. Red color. With a plethora of nutrients and antioxidants that include vitamins A and C, now we enjoy it. Red color. Green color. Green color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like.